Tastes like an orange. Tastes good though. Guys. What did I just find today? Hold on. Sorry, not you guys. These guys. My video guys, my YouTube guys.
Hi, YouTube.
Something really exciting happened today. Slagsmålsklubben publicly shared and mentioned and acknowledged my video, my piano medley. What did they say? Christian Henriksen is playing us on the piano, of course. And they linked to my video. It has, yeah, it's really exciting. 6 hours ago this happened. Let's see, 95 likes, 7 comments, 2 shares. So far I have 3 comments on the YouTube video itself, 30 likes on it, and over 400 views. But there are additional comments on the Facebook post itself. Lloyd King says, amazing. Do you think you'll ever return to the UK? It's been nearly 10 years since I saw you guys last. Jimmy Van der Lumpeten says, this is better than The Sims. Valentine Coutier, nice medley, smiley face. Emily Turble Kunstreich, this made me realize that I really miss you guys. They have not released music since 2012. It's been 5 years since The Garage. Mads Deichmann, good old, and then that's the end of his comment. I think he was trying to say good old SMK, because I played from the chiptune days. And my favorite comment, from Leo Yangvison, nice medley, but damn, tune that piano.
Okay.
Really though, it's a very bad, poorly tuned piano. I don't know, maybe we'll have enough money to tune it one day. It's very exciting for me that you know, I shared this with Slagsmålsklubben several months ago, and only now, I mean I say only now, but you know, they got to it now and they shared it now, and it's very exciting for me. I'm very happy about that. So hey, today is already a good day. And if you haven't seen it already, I'm gonna link to a YouTube card. YouTube card should be on screen right now. Slagsmålsklubben. I play 9 songs from their chiptune days. Fun stuff, fun stuff. Playing Breath of the Wild right now, and I made a Breath of the Wild log. Have you seen it yet? Anyway, those were my day 1 impressions, but since then I've put in countless hours into this game. Some friends nudged me in the direction of Mount Lanayru. You should go to Mount Lanayru. Everyone says the prize on top is wonderful, incredible, great, I love it. All being very spoiler conscious, I'm very grateful for that. So I'm very excited. Tell you what, I'll take a durian and the rest peppers. See what that makes me. The durian ruined the effects of the peppers. Alright, Mount Lanayru. I'm going to warp to the Ancient Tech Lab. I haven't tackled any divine beasts yet, but the first one I'm going to do is Zora's Domain. I met Prince Sidon. 7 memories remaining in the Captured Memories main quest. Lots of side quests. Since I last filmed, these are my weapons, bows, shields, armor. Lots of materials. Lots of food. And some key items, including up to 14 Korok seeds total now. I'm not being very diligent about collecting those, not yet. There's over 900 of them in the game. That is ridiculous, freaking ridiculous. I can't wrap my mind around 900 of these things. It must be 18 shrines in total by now. Well, I'll get to that. But Mount Lanayru is this way. 12 minutes, 30 seconds. Awesome, let's go. As you can tell, I've used 1 stamina upgrade and 3 heart container upgrades. Oh, wow, that's scary. Great photo, though. Oh, is that Mount Lanayru? Wow, that is. What's up there? And wow, that looks pretty. 9 minutes of cold resistance. Shouldn't be a problem at all. The climbing element of this game, I think, is a very ingenious move. I enjoy it a lot. The fact that you can't just willy-nilly go up the side of any old mountain. There's strategy involved in every climb. What? That is a creature that is moving. Am I geared up enough to fight this? Whatever it is? I have 29 arrows. This looks like it'll need more. You know, you see eyes, you shoot them, right? It's a Zelda trope, but it's true. I'm just gonna go for it. The game already autosaved. This thing is very large. Scarily large. Ah, that would have been so good if I hit it. That's bad. Spring of Wisdom. You've done well to find your way to this spring. This is Nadra, the blue spirit of Lanayru. Is he friendly? This servant of the goddess has looked over the spirits of this land for ages, unknown to the world of man. However, the dreaded malice, unleashed by Calamity Ganon, has possessed its body and reduced it to this state. Well, giant eyes, okay. I have regular arrows. They work swimmingly. Whoa, he's moving. Whoa, he's big. This is like Twin Mold. That's my best comparison, I suppose. Oh, that is pretty scary. If he wasn't coming at me, but if he was, that would have been quite scary. Let's climb higher. He sounds a little in pain. Hope to be able to help this creature. He seems gentle. He's not attacking me. Regardless if the evil that is somewhat possessed him at this point, you know, wants to will him to start attacking me. That's open. Let's see. No. No. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. No, they're not hitting. But that's where it's scary. He can grab me. You see those talons? Large talons. But this is definitely where I can get him. Oh no, yeah, he can grab me very easily here. Jump down. Oops. I don't want to get knocked off again. This is very interesting. It's a very calm battle. It's not really a battle now, is it? Oh, he's taking a different path. Oop. I just missed an eye. No eyes over there. Where's he going? I did not mean to do that. Ah, that hurt me. This is scary. Oh, wow. No! Oh, whoa. Good reflexes. Ah, that was my best shot. Come on, don't miss this. There we go. It's not open. Gonna get you. Oh, where's he even going? Please work. No. 2 arrows. This is gonna be tough. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What? Oh, that was, wow. That was quite the shot. That was, that was really beautiful. He rammed me with his head. And go. Yes, I did it. I did it. That was very hard. Not fairly hard. He looks quite pretty. Now, loose your arrow through the body of nature to free the spirit of this region. Don't I have 1 arrow left? Insane, 1 arrow. This is what you want me to do, right? Oh. A shrine. Good. Chitan Sami. Interesting angle here. Not seeing the entire shrine at once. Very interesting. Blessing. I see. It's not a challenge at all. It's a blessing. Frost Spear. Oh, goodness. So, this is the reward, is it not? Use this on an enemy and I'll just see how useful it is. And that's as much as I'm filming, because I don't want to get carried away. I'm going to go to Zora's Domain. And I'll be going to Zora's Domain. Don't mind me. That was just the, you can hear it. I don't have to explain. Guys, it happened again. I bet this next one's gonna be one too. Look at this. Another one. Okay, in our area in Southern California, there is a Stater Brothers we shop at that gets its eggs from a certain farm that has a certain chicken that lays a lot of double yolk eggs. I'm gonna crack one more. Sure enough. Well, I think I've sufficiently checked off that box in my bucket list, I suppose. Find double yolk eggs. The only one remaining is find a triple yolk egg, but oh man, if double yolk eggs are 1 in 1,000, just how rare is a triple yolk egg? Very rare. That'd be so incredible though. I'd make an entire video just on that if I found one. And to end the vlog, I was just goofing off on piano a little bit. Whipped up a little something that I think sounds nice. It's a nice driving song, full of energy, little original composition. I don't know if it'll ever become a full song. Here you go. Alright, clearly not perfect, lots of mistakes, and the song kind of goes all over the place. There's not too much melodic intervening, I don't know the term, but it's a term that means when it goes together well, I'm going to put it in layman's term, when it sounds good together. You know, it sounds fine. Oh, my hair, whoa. It sounds fine, really. But it just needs some work. I think it's nice. I think it's nice and dark. It needs a little more build-up. I kind of started kind of really dark. If I wanted to make this a real song, I would make it have build-up. It wouldn't start so pounding. It's fun, though. I may just turn this into a complete composition. Thank you for watching this video. You can click here if I'm gonna totally see the last vlog, which was my Breath of the Wild vlog, and you can click here, oh goodness, if you want to see my no, it wasn't called Four Things, it was called, it had a bunch of crazy names. It's about trees and eggs, and trees on fire, and eggs, and eggs. Go watch it, and it's fun. I'm not gonna film me eating these, because why the heck would I do that? Sicko. I don't know, I feel like ASMR. Adios!